Hello friends, this is Zishan. I'll be doing the unboxing and review of my newly purchased Seiko watch. The name of the model of the watch is SNKP17K1. I bought this watch from Amazon at a price of 10,600 rupees. So this is how the box looks like. So when you open the box, you can see in the side it comes along with the user manual. At the last page you can see the warranty card, certificate of guarantee. It states that the first year worldwide guarantee and the second year only valid for service in India. So inside there is another box which looks like this. When you open this box you can see the watch. Let me remove the watch and set aside all the other contents. So this is a very beautiful Seiko watch. So it's made up of the dial is made up of stainless steel, and the inner color of the dial is dark blue color. The chain is also looking pretty good. So let me wear this watch and show you how it looks on the hand. The watch looks like this. The diameter of the dial is 42 millimeters. So I need to tighten the chain. The watch looks like this. It's having a very beautiful and elegant look, as well as very nice design. So this is the back side. You can see the parts of the machine moving. Let me remove the plastic. So this is a short review of my Seiko automatic watch. Thank you for watching my video.